Are you looking to download the Windows 11 ISO file, but not sure how to? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use the media creation tool to get the Windows 11 ISO file. You're going to start by heading to Microsoft's website to download the media creation tool. The link for that will be in the description. Once it is downloaded, run the tool and give it permission to make changes to your device. After that, you'll be presented with the license terms. Go ahead and agree to those. Next, select the language and edition of Windows 11 you need. On the following screen, you'll be asked to choose a media option. You're going to be selecting the ISO file option. The other option is for installing Windows 11 directly onto a USB flash drive. Once you've chosen ISO file, click Next. Rename the file and save it somewhere on your computer where you'll easily find it. After that, click Save and the download will begin. You'll see a progress bar, but keep in mind that this process may take some time. I'll fast forward to when it's almost done. When the download is complete, you can click the file path to see it was saved. Finally, click Finish and you're all set.